Hey guys, what's going on? Vega here from SerpentX Special Forces. In this video, I want to share with you my experience showing you how you can earn on the cryptocurrency that you already have, especially for those who are just planning on hodling through because the market has dipped or is moving sideways or whatever it may be. Currently, yeah, right now at time of filming, the market's doing pretty good, but you could still be earning additional sats or assets while you are sitting by, because a lot of us may have bought at higher levels and don't want to sell until it reaches a certain point. Well, until it hits that point, you might as well earn additional cryptocurrencies. The first site that I want to mention is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a pretty popular website that a lot of crypto YouTubers use, but they have additional resources on here. And if we go up to the top under products, there's a section called interest, which will open up this tab right here, and you can see that they have quite a few cryptocurrencies, not all of them, but I would say at least the main ones. And obviously the daddy of them all, Bitcoin, has a number of sources or outlets in which you can earn cryptocurrency. But quick disclaimer, not your keys, not your coins. When you try to put your funds in one of these platforms or sources, just know that if something were to go wrong with them, you may have a risk of losing those funds. But most of them have some type of redundancy in place to where they can pay back their clients. I would just do a lot of research on each of the sources that you're looking into prior to moving your cryptocurrency. I want to share what I'm doing though. So Bitcoin, best way to earn interest on that, in my opinion, at least for what I'm doing, is with BlockFi. And BlockFi is one of the resources that I have selected up here. Again, just sharing my experiences and what I'm utilizing. However, if you have some recommendations, feel free to share them down below. Obviously, if anybody's sharing it though, double check. Don't just assume, because there might be scammers, spammers, and bots down there trying to get you to get into their shill project of choice. But when we go to BlockFi.com, you can actually go to products and then BlockFi interest account, and it will take you to this page. You can select a cryptocurrency. They don't have as many as I would like, to be honest, but they do have Chainlink and Bitcoin. Honestly, the three cryptocurrencies that I'm earning interest on right now that are with BlockFi are Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Link. The reason I'm doing that is because if we use something like CoinMarketCap's interest page, I can actually identify what gives me the best bang for my buck, but the interest value may change. It's not always going to be the same. Sometimes Celsius may beat BlockFi and vice versa, or something else may take over. But BlockFi right now is the top one, but this is something you want to pay attention to. I wouldn't say set it and forget it. This is something that you want to monitor on a regular basis. Moving your funds too much will cause you network fees, and then you wind up losing more than it's worth. So just plan to find the best, do your research, and then put the asset that you want into that platform or source so that way you can earn interest on it. I am also using Celsius Network, which we'll get into here in just a moment. If you want to earn on Ethereum, here are all your available options. Obviously, one of them is actually Coinbase, which has already opened up ETH 2.0 staking, but you won't be able to unlock or utilize those tokens until the Ethereum 2.0 network is actually released. So just bear in mind with that. Once you put it in, it's locked in there, and you're just gonna have to sit on it and wait. But there's additional assets or sources in which you can stake your cryptocurrency. Tether, Binance Coin. I haven't used Nexo or a lot of these applications, but I do have a list that I'm gonna go through here. XRP, Dogecoin, USD, Polkadot, which I'm interested in doing a video of how showing you guys how I'm staking my Polkadot. If you would like to see that video, please let me know in the comments below. But look at how many different assets that this page from CoinMarketCap, the interest page, actually has. So this is something that you could probably regularly visit and check out what they have to offer, so on and so forth. Celsius obviously only offers staking on their own network, but they have a lot of various coins that they offer. And let's see here if I can show it. So yeah, so Gemini, USD, TUSD, PAX, USDC, so many different stable coins, so many different gold coins, as well as all the crypto assets that we hold dear. Now in the US, you cannot earn sell on your cryptocurrency that you stake. For example, earlier I used to be able to stake Bitcoin and sell at the same time. Now we can't do that, not in the US. So bear that in mind. Matic though, or Polygon, is a cryptocurrency that I am staking with Celsius. Now, again, they're not FDIC insured or anything like that, but they do have redundancies in place that if something were to happen, you're protected, or you should be able to get your funds back. Each platform is different and has different requirements or different redundancies in place. So again, do your own research, not financial advice. Out of all the other tokens that are available here, DOT was one that I was considering, but it's only at 8.86%, where some of these other platforms, maybe not BlockFi, but some of these other platforms you can earn 12% on it, like one that we're going to get into here in just a moment. But so many assets are available on Celsius compared to BlockFi, which only has these few that you see here. Moving on, Crypto.com is also a good platform. The only thing that I have here is there's a minimum, like there's a cost to entry. There's a minimum that you have to have of that asset in order to stake or earn on it, which kind of drives me up the wall. But they do have pretty good earnings or percentages or APYs that you can actually earn on that cryptocurrency. So let's see here, Bitcoin Cash. Let's look at Cosmos. If we deposited 5,000, we locked it in for 3 months, we would earn $150 per year paid in Cosmos. And again, that number may change. You know, Atom may go up, so that value may change. But then again, Atom may go down. So what you're really looking at when it comes to this is not so much the dollar or fiat value, but the amount in Satoshis or individual, you know, 0.008, 0.005, so on and so forth. Those are the numbers I would really focus on if I were you. But again, they have a number of different cryptocurrencies in which you can choose from. Right here is a nice little list. They even have Shiba Inu. I don't know why, but whatever. All these meme coins coming out. Uniswap, Polkadot, Elrond, Decentraland, Compound, Engine Coin, VeChain, Binance Coin, Stellar. All our main faves, plus a little bit extra. And then Kraken, which actually has 12% on Polkadot, is something that I was very intrigued by. But I'm actually staking Polkadot using my ledger rather than an exchange. So any of the assets that I have a decent bag of, I do not like keeping on an exchange. I may have a percentage allocated to that exchange just so I can earn interest on it since I'm hodling it anyways. But I won't put my entire bag on it in case, again, something goes wrong. All these percentages vary depending on the cryptocurrency, but they do offer staking for ADA, which you can also stake ADA or Cardano directly as well through various wallets such as the Ledger. They do have Kava and ETH 2.0 or Ethereum 2.0. I believe, again, this is going to be the same thing as Coinbase, where it's locked in. You won't be able to do anything until the actual 2.0 release comes out. But Kraken is another good one that I participate in. And this last little bit website I want to talk about, and everything's going to be linked down in the description below, but Binance does offer stakeable assets like the tried and true Bitcoin, Binance Coin, DAI, Tether, SushiSwap, and Tezos. I believe there's a few more, but I couldn't find a list just yet. You may want to look into that. I don't like keeping everything on Binance because I am in the States, first off, and the Binance.us does not offer all the assets that I would like to participate in. Coinbase only has Ethereum, but it's going to be two different things. So when you go to your Coinbase wallet, it's going to be Ethereum and then Ethereum 2.0. They're two different things. And again, once you transfer your Ethereum to Ethereum 2.0, it's locked. You can't touch it till the release comes out. But they also do have Tezos, which actually is not a bad APY or interest earned. And then they have Atom or Cosmos as well. Qcoin, I haven't participated in that particular application or source, but it looks like they have a lot more stakeable assets than most. And then Kraken, of course, we see the few here that they have listed, but on their website is much more. So some of these platforms are actually providing more and more cryptocurrencies in which you can stake. And that's a great thing because most of us during a pullback or a bear market or a market that's just stagnant and going sideways will tend to trade emotionally and wind up selling during the dip when you should be buying the dip and selling at the highs. However, if you have a number in your head and you're saying, I'm not selling to this point, and you're just going to hodl, why don't you hodl and earn interest on it? Again, being smart about it. Don't put your entire bag, thousands upon thousands of dollars in a single point of failure or an exchange in case something does go wrong. But if you're going to earn, or if you're going to hodl, at least try to earn some interest on that cryptocurrency. There's a number of different resources out there in which you can utilize. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are you earning interest? What platform are you using, and what cryptocurrencies are you earning interest on? I would like to hear from you down below. But that's going to do it for me today. Please do me a favor on the way out. Hit the like button. Subscribe for additional content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell notification to stay up to date, as well as check out various links down in the description below. Like to dogelord.com. You can get sweet merch from the Serpent X collection, Red Panda Mining, Crypto Mikkel, DC Adventure, a whole lot of great people in the community. But you guys have yourself a wonderful day. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.